So a man say, oh, no more immigration visa for Jamaica and 74 other country. How you feel about that?
Well, you don't know, the Trump vibration, you don't know, film thing different,
Yeah.
the way him a flow, and you don't know him a film racist vibration already.
So you wouldn't say it's a security thing, it's more like a racist thing.
No security thing that is, look from when immigrant been in the country there,
Yeah,
immigrant bill most of the European country them.
yeah, that is true.
You see me I deal with? And look for him being a him father is an immigrant.
Yeah,
You see me I deal with?
Yeah,
And him a fight with immigrants.
Yeah.
So it have to be more than that.
yeah.
It's a racism thing that.
Okay.
You see me I deal with? And them way me look on it still. You see me I deal with?
Yeah.
But the people them have to know, especially in Jamaica, have to know, say listen, I fall America, I fall,
Yeah.
I feel them time now for go down.
So go down.
So anything them I do right now.
Yeah.
It's like them say, a Joe that man catches at a straw.
Yeah.
I that's what them the right now.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with? So them have to do everything
Yeah.
in them power to try to maintain power. And go on like them is all that right now.
Yeah. Okay.
You see me I deal with? So them use military might
Okay.
to try to show themselves. So So that's the people them have to really can come in themselves and say them have to come back to them roots.
Yeah. So if you are the leader of four countries, how you gonna respond to something like that?
Well, right now, the government have to just know, say, you have to just try to show the people them, say, listen, they have to just focus on themselves.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with? Because them can't continuously just depend outside the help and if you say the grass greener over there. So you have to deal with right so.
Between me and you though, you feel like the grass green enough yourself to really make it?
If you put hands and heart together,
Yeah.
because anyway you go, you can't make it,
Yeah.
But you see, you have to just move certain, you see the bad mind and the grudgeful and them thing there. It's a unity are the key right now.
Yeah.
I see if you know unify, I look on a country like in Africa right now. I look on my region there. Burkina Faso right now.
Yeah.
And I say, I wonder if things that are going on. But you just need a man just step in and can unify the people and say, listen, see what thing, yeah? We can make it go on.
So you feel like we have that type of as leader there?
We don't see it yet, though. We don't see it yet.
Yeah.
We don't see it yet.
Yeah.
But down the road.
Alright.
Down the road. Because I say, people eyes are open, open wide enough yet.
Yeah, yeah.
But they are open little bit.
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah.
So sooner or later, one will rise, man.
Yeah.
Because we not give up, we can't give
True,
up.
true. Alright. You were more accept differently though. So like the people then will apply for them visa and then get denied and thing. What you think then should I deal with them people?
Who apply for it, like, who you mean,
Apply and not get.
and not get.
Yeah.
Where-
Like they should have run back with money and run back half our money. What you think?
Them should have do that, yes. Them
Yeah.
should have the people that make them money because if you just lock out the things, so can remember say people are go have interviews to go,
Yeah.
even after the 21st,
Yeah, yeah,
One to them people the money.
yeah,
Is that just go down the drain, sir?
yeah.
No man, something them have to kind of get the thing right so people them can get the money. Cause you just can take the people a robbery that this and all. That's how me look on it,
True that, true that.
So you have to do some type of refund.
Yeah,
Cause like a waste that.
yeah,
Or them plan in them head somewhere for say alright, after the 25th them a run it for a month and then them start it back again or something and then you use them, get them people back in and line for get them thing. But if you're gonna stop it so indefinitely because no one know where I go on. You see what I deal with? You refund the people them money, man.
alright. So if Trump see that video, what would you have said to him personally?
Trump. Trump can't take reasoning.
You said they can't
Him
take-
can't take reasoning. The man the mind structured a certain way.
Yeah,
You see me I deal with?
yeah,
And I'm happy. I'm not really him alone behind the thing,
yeah,
You have puppet masters,
True.
Him are the puppet,
Yeah.
And the puppet masters, and them a pull the strings. So him have to just carry out them thing. You see me I deal with? So in saying something to him really not make no sense.
Yeah,
You see me I deal with? Because I just saw the thing said.
yeah.
It's just like what government, we just know what the thing said. Them we can't do what they can't do, because puppet masters are pull the string,
Yeah, yeah.
That's what the thing said.
Alright.
You see me I deal with? Yeah, man, that's strength of life, man. You don't know.